Hey y'all, I'm Izzy Frank with the Seeds to Success Louisiana Farm to School program. Welcome back to our video series, Sustainable School and Home Gardening. In this video, we'll be discussing integrated pest management, also called IPM. Did you know that school campuses must follow Louisiana State Pesticide Law? All schools, public and private, must have an annual IPM plan and use the least toxic method of insect control possible. And this isn't just limited to gardens, since schools utilize pesticides for other pests like termites and roaches. To see a summary of these laws, use the link in the Gardening Resources tab of our website. What exactly is IPM? Integrated pest management is when we incorporate more than one practice to manage pests and disease. Research shows that relying on one single method leads to crop loss. Typical IPM includes scouting often for pests or disease, using preventative methods first, and only utilizing chemical control if all other methods have failed. The first step in IPM is starting with strong, healthy plants. When you go to buy your plants, check the root ball. If it is overcrowded, the plant is past its prime planting date, and you should opt for a plant with less stress. Scout for pests and disease daily. Look at all surfaces of your crop. If you see any evidence of pest presence, snap a few pictures of the damage and the areas surrounding the plant to help you identify the pest. Another IPM strategy is to utilize trellises. Trellising your vining crops improves air circulation, maximizes space efficiency, and it makes it harder for pests to infiltrate the crop canopy. Plant crops during their appropriate season. Don't plant brassicas like broccoli in the Louisiana summer, because they prefer cooler temperatures. Exposing them to warm temperatures will stress them and then open the door for pests and disease. Select varieties that have pest and disease resistance bred into them. Notations on the plant tags, such as a V, F, and N, indicate resistance. Check out our sustainable growing guides on the Seeds to Success website for resistant cultivars. A final piece of advice is to practice crop rotation. This is when you plant your garden in crop families and move each family's location from year to year. For example, it will be 3 years before I plant another parsley plant in this spot. Crop rotation helps with preventing insect infestation and disease and improves the garden soil's microbiome and fertility. If you can't rotate crops, planting a wide diversity of plants also works as long as you move things around from year to year. For example, we wouldn't want to plant another parsley in the same place as it was last year, but we may want to plant it in a new area of the same bed. We hope this helps you manage pests and disease. Thanks for watching and check out our other videos.